Yo, 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 we're back. Tempted to disable gravity while that already feels a lot better. And then we added a bunch extra gravity. Wow, I just felt that I wanted to use the jump button for grapple. So like jump, when you're in the air, you can grapple by pressing the jump button. Parenthesis hell. Do holding jump and sins. Oh, how do we do this? Last. I felt one thing when I was trying it now. It was that I pressed the jump button to grapple. So when you jump and then when you're in the air, you press grapple again. So maybe we can get rid of a few buttons right there. But I just had to figure out.
Good song.
This is like the most convoluted way of saying what I was trying to say, I think. Let's try. Yeah, works. So I also found it just feels like it needs a little bit of tweaking now, but it's like very close to usable.
Pretty cool.
I think it's the horizontal movement that we still want from holding down the buttons or holding down the thing. You can sort of double jump by just holding for a bit.
Yeah.
Oh, is that gonna be the fastest way to just like spider cling?
Yeah, might be. Feels pretty cool.
Hey, how did you get stuck to the ceiling? Did it not? What happens here? Am I just forgetting what the problem was? What happens if you hold it?
I'm holding.
Okay, so we still have the same problem we had before. Just me forgetting about it. The reason you get stuck is because sine becomes... just want to try. I still get stuck.
Yep.
Oh, it might be because I disabled. Because here it works. Because... Oh, we do the value between... If we could take this value and never get it as close to 0 as we had it before. Freaking... It's acting really weird. But it's very close to... If we just make this a lot smaller. It's like doesn't have a... Okay, so not smaller, bigger. Nope. Still acting a bit strange. Or we just automatically let go of the grapple. That would be like the simple solution, I guess. Yeah. Didn't I also tell it to not do gravity if... The smoothest value I felt was this. But I think you can do something here as well to... So we take a value between -1 and 1. And we want to clamp it down to 0. And we still want to do that, but very close to 0 at least. And then we want to take the values that are 0.5, make them 0. Holy shit, how do we do this? (0.5). If I do more, we're gonna get negative numbers. If we do less, it's gonna work. But we're never gonna get up to... No, we're gonna get higher than 1 here. Let's see. Okay. It's still acting like... weird. Why is it doing this? It's really dumb. As long as you're not holding on to it. Should we just be like, you can only hold on to it for one swing? Doesn't feel quite right to limit you like that. It's probably gonna be how you're playing.
Mm-hmm.
There it just like pushes you down, so... I don't know, man. It does feel really good to do the... Oh, that's a problem. We have to have released to start. What was it? Has released jump. Is that ginormous? Is grappling or... This one is getting weirder and weirder. Yeah, I don't know why it tries to like... Oh, look at that. You could kind of get it to attach to... What is going on there? Right, and you can actually double jump, or air jump at least. Here's an annoying freaking ledge. So grab the tile map. Let's go delete this. Nope. Give me that maybe. Also don't want this hole. I want it a little bit further to the ground. Let's try this. It is also like it's doing like a little zip towards the end.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel quite right. Unless you would be getting like some extra force upwards, I guess. Like when you let go, we could give you like a little bit of a bonus force there. Wow. Yeah, we got the problem is it's gonna be super annoying if this isn't great. Give it a try with only A for grapple.
That feels weird.
Yeah, I can remove it if we think it's too weird.
Like it's so much better flowing when I'm using the other button. I don't know the name for it, but the back one.
Okay. You can do this. Falls and then they're back to... Yeah, that should work. Shouldn't I be able to jump there? Oh, I gotta be within... What is going on there?
Yeah.
Is it that we're doing... Oh, I have an idea. We're applying the damping, but we should not do that when where we're grappling. We'll get... Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, now it's very different. I don't know why though. Why wouldn't it be... Is it the other... damping. Value somehow that should be different. What happens if we don't grapple damp?
Oop.
So length control a little bit different. Everything feels too fast now, but it's not too bad with the arc.
Whoop.
Especially if you already have a bit of force downwards.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. We could say velocity.y is 0 when we start grappling, and then or at least it's, we could say all velocity is 0, which I don't think will be good. It's just like when you start grappling, if you stop and then start grapple,
Mm-hmm.
it might give you, because it's hard to know like if you're coming down, falling from really high up, have really high speed and then start grappling. It might be hard to control. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe there's a 0.5 and a 0.75 here or something
Mm-hmm.
to get the right feel. This feels pretty good. It almost looks like a horizontal dash, yeah. What do we want here? We want it to dip a little more. And be a little bit less horizontally. I think a lot of it's gonna depend on if we're having horizontal or vertical levels.
Yeah.
Because stuff like this might not be like fun. However, we
Yeah.
oh wait, I forgot one pretty important part there. That makes a big difference in how it feels.
That looks smoother.
Let's say we have a little bit longer reach with these. 150, 150. That wasn't a lot longer. Oh. Right, wasn't the grappling hook in like the Worms on the Amiga really good? I remember it being. Should we try making like a test level that's more horizontal with just like a few?
Yeah, it feels better to go this way,
Yeah,
I guess.
it's everything just feels a little bit fast now. It's kind of hard to control when it's going.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can tweak it downwards. Damn. Did we also? Yeah, we turned that off. So grapple force 30. Let's get this down to 20. Let's try 20. And damping, we do apply that, right? Yes. So 5. If we increase this a bit to like 8, that's more reasonable speed.
Mm-hmm.
I still think it's maybe a bit too quick. But damn, now it's starting to feel good. Still not a way to get up. That's also not good. I don't know how we should handle this. Like, I'm just holding the button in.
Yeah.
But as long as you're doing that, things are pretty sweet. I think we should just reset the can air jump or something. Floor can air jump is false. And then we do like this, or can air jump if, since air jump or since last grounded is less than this, no, if it's more than this, can air jump is false, because then we air jumped. We air jumped, and then instead of checking for if we are, we set last grounded to be here. We say can air jump is true. Why so angry? So now we can do this, and then at any point we can jump after. Not just within that little... That feels better, I think.
Mm-hmm.
We could use like up and down keys on the keyboard to shorten and lengthen the rope.
Mm-hmm.
To kind of go upwards. That minimum distance. Also, where is the... Is it from the center of the player we do the grappling point? Hello, Godot? Did you... Restart it. I don't have a mouse pointer anymore. That's strange. You want to give that back to me? I still press things, but yeah, I'm a pointer short. Hello? I need a mouse pointer. Hello?
What the fuck?
This is strange.
You can see it on stream, I think.
Oh, you can. I can see it on in real. Oh, there it is.
It's
Came
back.
Yeah, let's design a level.
Yes. Let's go.
Do you want to do it just because you might be... Yeah, you do it.
I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, me neither. So you gotta select the tile map. I think you can just turn off tile map. I guess not. Whatever. We'll look at it like this. But down here you get this, and then you got the
Big one.
so you can drag with the left mouse button, or you can drag with the right mouse button.
Oh, okay.
So I'm thinking like something that goes like a little bit up and down, but not like straight up, would be good.
Okay.
And then middle mouse to pan around.
I should delete some shit here then.
Yeah.
I have
delete everything and just restart if you want to.
I don't know where to start.
Just make a little corridor with a gap or something.
Should we start this way?
Yeah.
Or up?
I think we should go like to the right.
And
generally.
how do I do bigger? Like,
Just drag a box.
okay, let's start over. Oh well. And how far do you go?
I don't know. If you want to do like a room, just make the outsides of the room and then right click to do cut out for the insides.
Ah, yeah. Okay, let's start over again. Let's make a big room. Like this?
Yeah, sure.
I don't know. I've never done this.
I'm thinking like make it big, make a
Like this?
yeah, maybe a bit tall. But yeah, so then you do like another one down here and another one and
Can you just... I don't know what to do.
okay. So I'm thinking something like this.
Ah.
You would do this and then you could like
Mm-hmm.
I would almost do it like this. Delete everything and then just do the outsides of the rooms like this. Like maybe it goes up a bit and then maybe it's going down. But like this. And then you do the insides. I don't know. Like this, somehow. And then you can add like platforms to grapple to or
Nice. Let's start off by doing the path.
yeah.
Can we go up here, maybe? Okay, let's go down here. Okay, let's start here.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I think trying it a lot so we get the scale correctly and so on. Probably what we'll do later is just set the have it like a room size
Ah,
that we
yeah.
start with.
Like something here.
Yeah, it could be good with I'm thinking like a trickier and less tricky path would be fun.
Mm-hmm.
It kind of diverts and comes back where one is slower and one is faster but much harder somehow. Whoa.
This feels pretty cool though.
Yeah.
Like this way. Okay. And then we want a platform here, maybe.
Yeah.
Where are we? Should we have a platform here?
Yeah. Maybe like say 3 little spots.
Here?
That you gotta be like a bit accurate to hit.
How do I go back to that? Here?
You probably have to like click on that to activate it. Do like 2 by 3 or something. Yeah.
I don't know, maybe bigger space between.
Yeah. And then make like a zigzag pattern here. So you gotta like go over there and do that to get through. And then we do like a harder one where you gotta jump up there from like grapple this and then jump up and then you can go straight diagonal or something.
Mm-hmm.
So we get like the fast path. But if you mess up, you're back. Yeah, we're back.
We're back. Wanna try the platforms?
It feels like it's hard to control because it's too fast.
Yeah, it's hard to aim at the small objects.
Yeah. It's supposed to be a bit hard.
Yeah.
Ooh, you just made it up.
Yeah, it's super fast. Okay.
Yeah. You could tweak the speed.
What were you talking about? The zigzag.
Yeah, you could like drag out a platform like that and a platform like that.
Oh shit. Do I need to press this one? Like out from this one?
Yeah. Just give it like maybe a
Here?
yeah. And you do one up from the other side.
Here?
Yeah. And maybe if you're really good, you could like jump around and then swing and then
Ooh,
swing or something.
Yeah.
Maybe we need a little bit more space around for that.
Remove some here.
Sounds good.
Something here, maybe?
Maybe something you have to like swing above and then below or something.
Yep. It's
Almost like the zigzag pattern, but
is that good? Maybe
sure, try it.
Closer.
I have no idea.
Let's try.
It's probably very since it's so fast now, it might be too close.
Yeah, let's have it here.
Also, if you can, yeah, you gotta like swing, jump, swing up or something. That would feel cool, I think.
Yeah, these are.
You're losing too much speed in horizontal. It's like super fast and then it stops.
Yeah.
You gotta tweak it, but that's why we make the map.
Yeah, these feel a bit too tall. Like that.
Yeah, I think that's the problem. There's more a problem with the grappling than the level design, to be honest.
Oh, okay. Can you restart the level? No.
Not yet, but we could make it so that it restarts.
That one all the time.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I kind of have to make a visit to a certain place. Do you want to work on this for a second?
Yeah.
I'll be back.
Absolutely. I'm gonna do my best. Tile map. Hello. Hello, let's go.
Coke?
No, I have plenty of things. Thank you.
How's it going?
I added a big room and a fall down here. I wanna
Nice.
make it a bit deeper. Let's try.
Give the swing and an hourglass icon that says bullet time for regrappling.
It's this one is weird.
Yeah.
Now we have the big room with the. Now we have the fall.
That could be cool if it's like you gotta do that stair stepping, 3 grapples
Mm-hmm.
to get up to the fast path.
Yeah.
if you're-
Ooh. And the hidden path, like Mario.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to try?
Yeah, sure. Let me build in a restart button real quick.
Yes.
Input map, restart, edit, put it on R.
Yep.
Put it on that button.
Mm-hmm.
Close and then not there. If input. Oh, retry. Is action just pressed? Restart. Global position is vector 30. Vector 20. That is uppercase. Oh no, it lost the connection to. Didn't work. Something is up with the language server. No, it closed the game. That's why.
Crash again.
Why? How is it possible that my custom weird 4.3 pre alpha is more stable than the native one?
Yep.
That's odd. Is this still correct?
Yeah, I think so. You might want to fix that one too.
Let's see if it remembered the restart. It did. Which?
Here
Here?
is quite weird, yeah.
Let's try this. I think it's having like a little bit of a harder.
Yeah.
You can jump. Oh. 0 is not where it should be. I'll fix it. Let's do this. Var starting position is a vector 2. Now we set it in ready. Fucking ready. Try now. Now we start here and go, and then R.
Nope.
Still CR. Oh. I need to use starting position too. I can't just set it. So yeah, now I can just press that. This. No, that's gonna be hard. Hard to impossible. Oh, that's also one of those, right? Where you gotta. Missed. And then into the.
Yeah.
It does feel very. It doesn't feel like I have any kind of control. It is nice when if you just ignore jumping and just do this.
Yeah.
Then you can get a little bit of. Is it meaning that you should like jump out here, or what was the?
Yeah, that was the plan. I think it's possible.
Probably.
Or did I add that roof?
Maybe you do this.
Yeah.
And then you gotta do that, and then you fall down.
Something in this room could be cool. Just to get going.
I think we should tweak the grapple to feel a bit more controllable.
Yeah.
And then we should make a commit, set it up on the other computer. You can toy with the map, and I can start toying with some other stuff.
Yeah.
We have like an hour, a little more than an hour before I have to go and get the kid.
Oh. Okay.
So let's tweak up to within like some percentage of what we want it to feel like.
Yes.
So what is the main issue? It still feels too fast.
It's like hard to control where you're gonna grapple towards.
So maybe we just need a bigger grappling point, right?
Mm-hmm.
Start there and just have like a big circle that's white and on top. Hello, mouse pointer. Make it like a an aim. Whoops. Okay, so it's a bit off center, but that's okay.
Yes. Nice.
Then we do the classic 1 pixel shadow.
Mm-hmm.
We should be doing this automatically. 1 second. There it is.
There we go.
Oh, we shouldn't. We should have an idea. Let's keep it like this. Get rid of that. Save it as grapple target, but in the right folder, please. Sweet. Should we add like juice to it already? It's too small. Filter nearest. Then you can do a copy of it, move it up 1 pixel, put it inside, make this one black. It's not very centered at all. It's more centered. That's better. Step 1, a more visible target. Oh. Where was it? Visibility, top level. There we go. Now we have the problem here that's I don't understand. What? If the parent is there, where are these? They're over there. Nice. Oh, also, this one has modulate. Shouldn't have modulate. That one should have self-modulate. We can grab this guy and just put it. Is it not possible to adjust the there we go. Try again. I think we should show a little line. Like a dotted line.
Yeah.
Always.
Mm-hmm.
If you can grapple. So it's easy for the eye to follow that. But it's better when you can see it, I think. Yeah, it seems a bit off, but we'll manage. I'm cheating a bit with the child objects here. It's better, right? Looks like it's attaching. I was gonna say well, but it's not quite looking right. That needs to be like a stair step or something.
Yeah.
Here. So if it doesn't work and it does this, you gotta be on that tool.
Oh, okay.
So like this. Well, we'll figure out like a 5x5 or 8x8 as a like a natural thickness for things.
Yeah.
And like how high above you can see, because for example this roof is not quite visible from here.
Yeah.
You got to do that to see it. I think it's nice if you can always like see it.
Yes.
Wait, wrong. And possibly always like some diagonals. I don't know. So it does help actually already a lot, just the visual of seeing that.
Yeah. That's cool.
I'm thinking like, what if we had wall jumping also, so we could like not have to rely only on that.
Yeah. Could be nice.
Yeah. Here's like it's nice when you're like just okay, I'm gonna do this. I click, but as soon as there is a little bit of a something, it's gonna be super hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. What do I? Sorry for missing the chat, but world coordinate is not bad. Yeah, I know.
Yep. Crosshair is better though.
We could do this too, just for the sake of testing.
Mm-hmm.
I do feel like the zoom is not too bad now, but we could test instead of 3, 2 there, and we'll see significantly more of the map. It will make every movements feel a bit slower, just because less of the screen is updating.
There we go.
Nice moves.
Drop down. Grab that one. Oh.
Yeah. So,
ooh.
Yeah, nice.
Feels stressful. Nice.
So, what do you feel we should do with the movement? What's the controlling, how to make it control better? Is the jankiness of some of these that feel, you just pulled pretty quickly forward, and then you're we already made the rage game we talked about.
Yeah, true.
Part of it is just getting used to the controls.
Yep.
I know, nickname. We're getting back to that soon. We just needed a little break. Too much shooting. Now I want to try some multiplayer stuff.
Yes.
See how that works. Yeah. Oh shit! Trying to figure out how to tweak and tune the grappling hook. What do you think about the zoom level? Should we go back, or is this better? Or
I felt that I like this one more.
it's a little bit more. Yeah, you can see more of the screen.
Yeah. And plan ahead. Which is nice.
Unreleased engine monsters. In this case, like weirdly enough, my 4.3 dev has been super solid, and this has crashed 10 times.
Yes.
The official release, which is like, what the heck? The only thing different, I guess, that we are doing differently is using the language server and VS Code for this, but that has been potentially the cause then. I don't know. Okay, yeah. We should be playing that game, Remnants of Nazith.
Mm-hmm.
It's a grappling hook game. I think you have one grapple on each mouse button, and you can do like Spider-Man-y stuff.
Oh, nice one.
Double Trouble, yep.
Indeed.
Never had a Godot session without crashing. Like you can watch my VODs, like my build with your code in it, Nick, simply doesn't crash. We could do stuff like offset the. When you go fast, we could offset the crosshair further forward.
Uh-huh.
But I don't know. Yeah, I don't know how to make this feel better. As long as you're not holding... I think the problem is this.
Yeah. Exactly.
That feels really weird. What's going on with that? If we could fix that, maybe tweak it so it's a little bit. Let's do grapple length force here, so we can tweak that.
Yep.
That was like 50. It could be a bit less, I guess. Move acceleration, I don't think we're using. Grapple force. We are using that, I think. Oh, I'm so stuffy. Control swing. This is the thing we haven't. This is grapple swing force. It's not grapple force. That's too slow.
Yes.
And it still has this issue. But not too bad. It seems like the values are like you change it a little bit and a lot of things change.
Mm-hmm.
This is the problem. Speedrunners, yep. We watched some of that before. It's gonna be maybe a bit too similar for to that, but it seemed like the idea. We had a few ideas. The chat and me and Alfred were most excited about playing, at least. Oh, I grappled it like there. Oh, this feels like a more controlled speed.
Mm-hmm.
I think we can do a little bit faster. Let's try 45. Then we gotta fix this. But just to optimize a little bit. Maybe I can try to fix that while you set up the other computer. Or do you feel like, do you want to work on music tomorrow?
Yeah, I guess.
I think that the most important thing would be like the level design. That's how I feel.
Yeah.
I think. And I'm gonna have my ass full of multiplayer issues if anything I know is true.
Mm.
So maybe we should, but that depends on if you want to be here. If you want to take a few minutes, just download Godot, the latest stable version,
Mm-hmm.
the latest unstable version, I guess,
Yeah.
and just set it up so you can try it out. I can make a commit on Git.
Yes.
You clone the shit. Let's do it. Yeah, network multiplayer is the idea. Zool. Gotta go. Now we're slightly above where I want to be. It's gonna be racing. I guess it is exactly speedrunners.
Yeah.
I don't know if we have a difference. I guess the difference could be that you can grapple each other, which we haven't really explored yet, since there is no other.
I need a password, please.
Ugh.
Is it Godot's web page?
Yeah, GodotEngine.org, I think. Yeah, it doesn't. Okay. The idea is to yeah, I've never never had any problems with GitHub's file size issues. Maybe once or twice when I did something wrong and I messed up something. I've been paying for GitHub. I have all my projects there since like maybe 10 years ago or something. So it's gonna be hard for me to switch over. I don't want to do it. I really like GitHub too. It's great, especially if you're in open source world. For the sake of it, let's make a commit here. Make sure this is all saved up. Yeah, it should be good. And then push this. So it's pushed. I'm just gonna. You have your GitHub account here.
And yours.
And mine. Let me go to GitHub and set up the repo so you can get onto it.
Yep.
I wonder if there's any. Wait, let's do this. Settings. Collaborators. Oh, authentication. 1 second. No, not Bank ID. Google Authenticator. Here we go. Add people. Alfred Rom.
Yeah.
You're in. Should be able to find the repo now. So yeah, it's like I'm gonna add another, like you shouldn't be able to fall infinitely fast. Like gravity should only take you to a certain speed. That will help a bit with grappling too.
Yep. Okay, let's see here. Accounts. Let's.
So positive. Guess I could use the max thing there. Okay, so I think this full speed is max full speed is not the right value. 100. Is that 100? Okay, 200. Still way too low.
New invitation. Accept invitation. Page not found.
I think it's still 800. 750.
Ah, here we are.
Found it? Christmas jam? Yep.
P jam.
Clone it to like docs or something.
Lol. There we go. Cool.
What? If you're using like build pipelines and stuff, you might not be able to use the super free version. That's what I think you mean, right? I wonder if you can like host. No, you couldn't host this server on GitHub. That wouldn't work. But you could automatically build and deploy it, I think. I think what we're going to do is host a dedicated server up on my web server. It's very underutilized. No! I think a bigger grapple cast might be the thing. Does it seem to be working?
Yeah, I just need to import it.
Cool.
Or how do I get it into here? Is that a good off?
Import?
It's
Yeah, it's defaulting to OneDrive somehow. I don't know.
documents. Is this one? Choose.
Yes.
Here we go.
Are we looking at success? Success! Yeah, try playing it. The controller should work if you just turn it on.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
That works.
Wow.
Sweet.
Let's make this level.
Yeah, I wonder if I should start working on the networking or whatever I should be doing. Or if we should work on some graphics. Juice up, like when you're jumping and running, have like a little squash and stuff like that.
Ah, yeah.
But maybe networking is more important. I don't know. I just feel like we have less than an hour.
Yeah.
Can I like finish that even? I don't know. I'll commit a little change to it's simply changing the radius of the thing and giving you the full speed, max full speed thing. Just do like max full speed, and then we'll do this is just like the bigger radius on grapple cast. Pushed.
Cool.
Cross-platform helpers. That's nice. Yeah. Okay. So I do have.
Is the
Broken.
no, it's working. It seems like the crosshair is going back to the plane.
Yeah. It should be hidden when you don't. No, I know what's happening. Stand still. Move away from the wall. Okay, go down.
Now I can't leave.
What the heck?
Battery low, maybe.
Maybe. Yeah, that happens probably because I think it might be hitting the wall, like the floor, because we're starting the raycast from... That might be it. I didn't think of that. Because it's bigger than the player. Okay, I'll fix it. I know what to do. First of all, I want to see... The Grapplecast starts in the center. This is the problem. If you look here, you see the blue circle intersect with the floor.
Alright.
So I can make it smaller, or I could be smarter about it. I think I'm gonna be smarter about it. So we'll start this offset by a little bit. It'll be fine. Where do we set that? Here we set the grappling thing. Position is... Okay. Fixed it.
Sweet.
Pushed!
Great.
Yeah, it's I hear a lot of people having, you know, COVID resurgencies. Which sort of sucks. Yeah, my nose is like halfway there, I guess. Cool. I got some keyboard parts, by the way. I feel like maybe I'll build a keyboard tonight or something. Let's see. Where are we at? I have here high-level multiplayer thing. Hello, Fubar. What's up? Yeah. We're getting into it. Yeah, we're just trying out some multiplayer stuff. Trying to figure out if that's something we want to do in the future, maybe. Trying to not get burned out on the other project. So it seems like you can create clients and servers and stuff here. It's for our own little internal jam. So we can create a peer as a client or as a server with IP address and port. And then there's a bunch of signals we can use. It's it's approaching 100% foobar, but whatever we do, we'll probably lose anyway. In the grand scheme of things, you can do RPCs. Okay. See what we can do. So we want to have, I think we want to have like, we have this main thing here. Let's just use that for our thing. And I think we want to have like a canvas layer. And under there, I think we want to have a button to say like host. Call this one like host button. I tend to not have spaces in here for some reason. So I have a host button, and let's add another one, the join button. And these, call this game. So we're gonna have node pressed on the game, sure. And then we'll do the same with this one. Pressed. Cool. So we have some stuff. And let's have a function. No, let's have a var. Actually, let's make an export var connect to address string. Make it like and then we're gonna have connect to port int, I guess. And let's make it like 6969. And then we want to host, and we want to look at the tutorial again. So we do like multiplayer dot is the server. I want to do the same for the client. I think it crashed. It does look like it's crashed. Come on. Yeah, I guess it's the language server thing, because this is dead. For the millionth time. I'll kill it for the sake of actually want to borrow some. Why not like this? Oh, I just started the thing. But I don't want to play it. I want to edit it. Is it E? No. Oh, it is. Parse error. There we go. Ah, maybe. Why? Why? What's wrong? Oh. Okay then. Maybe that is a problem. Okay, so now it wants to use tabs. What do I use in the other? I think it's tabs here. No, I don't think it does. Could not find string in the current scope. Like, it would help if... Did it connect to the... Oh. Okay, so now we press host. It will say nothing. Character. Did it say created server anywhere? I think we have to like run it once successfully here for it to actually... Or that doesn't get... Hey, wait. That is not connected and the other one just didn't get... The crash forgot things for us. What? Didn't I just fix this? Found indent instead, but we just forgot about the changes I just did. All of them. How about now then? Here we go. Now press host. Created server. Allow. Sweet. Good if this call says join. How's the map coming along?
It's coming along.
Yeah.
It's fun to explore.
Yeah. Whoa, that one went in the wrong direction. Yeah, we gotta do something about like this thing where it's just like staying there. But I have a host button now and it creates a server. Now we just need to allow it to connect. And I don't know if the client connects or whatever that does. But now we can create two, we can host on one, join on the other. So it's like created server and connected client. Seems to have worked. Let's continue reading. To terminate, just null it out. Cool. Managing connections, and these are a bunch of signals on the multiplayer object. So what I'm going to do is this why it breaks? Because I resave this file. Close that down. I don't ever want to see that again. Is this now correct? Yes. So I don't know if it's when I'm hosting that I want to listen for things or whatever. Oh, solo. I know it until that point. Because now is madness. Host on that one and then join, and then it says peer connected. Nice. We have a network connection. Localhost, but it's something. Okay. Did it say peer disconnected? Yes. I think we should also connect ourselves as the server. So we can get a unique ID here, okay. And if we are a server, we can see there. Cool, let's add those as like little better connectivity than Forza Horizon. Do we want to make these? So let's figure out what the actual architecture for this should be. So we're connecting here and it would say on peer connected. I don't think we should connect ourselves quite that way. But let's make the, because we're gonna spawn players and we're gonna sync them. So let's create a little. I'm gonna actually call this like prefabs this time, because I think scenes is not necessarily what I want. Prefabs player, and then I think we want to have a reference to this. I want to get rid of the player. Quick load the player, and then what happens if we play now? Does it like, yeah, it just stays like this, which is fine. You can press host and then it should join and create it. Be nice. So, ow. Let's see, not script tab here. So whenever someone connects, we should create a player for that, and we should on the player have its network ID. Yes. And then I guess this is where we should like RPC out the connection of this. Let's just try it first. It says peer connected 1, and then it says connected that. Okay. So if we are the server, no, we're gonna create a player here somehow. So we do like at RPC func player joined with ID int. This should return a player, I think. Got about 20 minutes. I wonder if we can make players move. I think also they want us to... No, it crashed. Ugh. Is it like every time you make an error in a script, it just... It's incredibly unstable. That's not the... We'll have to read. Authority, call remote, unreliable. Only the multiplayer authority can call remotely. Sounds good. Clients are allowed. No. Authority, call remote. Not be called on the local. call local. So we want to do sort of this. Transfer mode reliable is what we want, and then transfer channel. Yeah, sure. Call local reliable, and then we want to do like print creating player for ID. Crash again. Did like 20 crashes today or something?
What's going on?
I don't know. Just so it did create it. So it's connected client. But we need to call this too. So we do like player joined dot call or RPC and pass ID. No? Crashed again. Unfortunate. .1 instead. I don't want to do that. I'd rather use 4.3. I don't have tilde on my keyboard. I guess I'll just use the internal editor. This is not worth the bullshit. Wait, what? Cricket also uses outside Godot editor, just got no issues. I've been using GDScript too, it hasn't been an issue. Where do you call RPC? It's something like that. RPC underscore ID. So it half worked. I'll do this for now. Unfortunate. This is good. This is good too. It's good enough. I guess we also should add the player. But now we get an error. Method expected one arguments, but I think maybe it should be this then. Hey! Oh, look! We can join multiple. Okay, cool. So step one, when I'm joining or whatever, let's hide the button. That doesn't work. The heck? Can you not hide canvas layers? Yeah, I should. Oh, I only did it on join. Host. I can join another one, and nothing happens here, but I think something would have happened here, yeah. Close. They're multiplying, yeah. Yeah, so this doesn't get called on the others. Why is that? Oh, I see. Because if I do an ID there, it's going to be only sent to that. Now nothing works. What did I just change? Oh, now this though. That wasn't Godot's fault. I pressed Control Q, host. I have a file, have a thing, and then run 2 instances. Stop it. Play. Should have 2. Host on this one, join on this one. On this one we have 2. Right, okay, so here's a problem we're having. We're connecting, but we don't keep track of all the players that have been added. So if we are the server, we want to keep track of all the... Actually, we want to do that anyway. We want to say these already exist. So let's have like a dictionary of... Let's just have a list of player objects. Var players, an array of player is empty. Whenever a player joins, we'll add it. like that. And then when someone joins and we are the player, if is server, then we want to do like all the other players first, so they're in the same order, potentially. For player in players, player joined, and we want to send it specifically to this ID. And we want to send player dot network ID as the argument. Nothing works. And then want to send it for itself. And then when someone is disconnecting, we gotta erase that player. So host. We have one, and we join. Oh, look at that. It sort of works. We have a problem where let's just randomize the position a little bit. Or we disable collisions between players. That is better. Collision is on layer 2, mask layer 1. That should work. Now they shouldn't be colliding. Host on one, join on the other. No doubles. Oh, but now there's only one in each. What the heck? Didn't it work before? Hello, Rawdoc. We're just starting to work on the actual thing, but we have like a... It's not good, but it's workable. Alfred is working on a level design. I'm trying to get the... So press host. Oh, I know what's going on now. I stand over here. I do join. Oh, it's only one. Or I'm controlling both. That might be the case. Okay. Let's try it again. And just allow... If... I'm thinking like, if we're not... If... and then we get the parent object somewhere in ready. Like var... What's that called? Game? Player var game equals null, and then we'll do like game equals parent as game or something like that. And then we can do if network ID not equals game dot own ID return. Should make it so that they're not controlling each other. Host on this one, join on this one. Now we have two. Sweet. This one is now moving. However, there's something up with the camera. Right. Oh, we have to set camera current player. Closing it on end time here. It would be really cool if we could start I wonder which order things happen in. So ready, it gets called here. So network ID might be, or we do on enter tree instead. Enter tree. Well, we don't have to delete it, I guess. So, host, no. Cannot make current on a null value, of course. Because this happens too early. Let's try ready. Okay, it's proving that they're doing this. Now, I think it's pretty simple to add the high-level network thing to sync. I think there's a way to do this pretty simply. Is it just like a network node? Sync this or something? Add property to sync. We want player and we want like position. Host, join. We got multiplayer, Alfred.
Really?
Yes.
Holy moly.
Is working. Well, it's not perfect, but it is syncing very smoothly over the internets. Except it doesn't work on the other. Why? Didn't it work just before? Like host? Join? No. The join ones can't move. Okay, almost. It syncs one of the server player is networked. A good start, but maybe not quite what we want. Public visibility. So what do I have to do with this? I'm a bit surprised. Any errors? Can I set myself as an authority of this object? I've seen this. Gotta go in like 3 minutes. Godot multiplayer synchronizer. I've seen this in a tutorial. In 3 minutes? That's what we have. Less than, actually. property to sync. Basic player. Position. Func. Enter tree. Set the multiplayer. Set multiplayer authority to name, but we don't have to do that. We can do that in ready. Wait, is this done on the server or on the clients? I guess network ID then. And then recursive is true. Host, join. We're moving! But no, it doesn't sync the value. Very close, very close. Got 15 seconds. Maybe if this moves out. Host. Join. That one works. Okay, if we just had a little bit smaller windows. Okay, I think we have it. I think it works. What? Host, join. Dude, it works.
Nice.
So yeah, it's not perfect.
Awesome.
But it works. We gotta go. Hello, Justin. Yeah, it's probably a bit too intense for us because we've never done it before, but we'll see how it works. But I have got to go pick up the kid at school. Practical Spias. So I'll drop you off at Spias, and you'll be nice to Spias, and we'll see each other at some other point. Maybe tomorrow. So yeah, Alfred is over here. Yeah. See you soon. Hugs and kisses, people. See ya.
That was horrible.